What's up, friends? In preparation to my coming trip in about 2 weeks, that is going to be 13 miles going between Arizona and Utah, I have ordered a device, a tool that saved me during the last two overland expos here in Arizona. It's a battery backup or vehicle jumper to start your vehicle. My brother-in-law happens to own one of these, and during the last 2 years, he's been saving my ass by jumping me with this. So I ordered my own because this trip that is coming, I'm doing it by myself. So if the battery dies, and I'm in the middle of the desert, and it'll be July, which is super hot, I'll be in trouble. This is not a sponsor pay advertisement. I pay this out of my pocket. This is not an endorsement. I bought it because it works. It's small, and it has proved me 2 years in a row that works. So let's open and see what we have here, and I'll tell you the model and I'll put it below. So my car is a Toyota 4Runner 2005 V8 4.7 liters, and cheers. And I'm sure I'll be fine. So the brand is Antigravity, and forgive my accent, Antigravity batteries. All right, so first of all, before I open the case, I bought it with this. I'm not sure what this is for, but it was a package, and my brother-in-law told me to get it. I guess this is a charger for the battery. This is what I understand. I had to read more because you see the positive and the negative connectors or whatever this is called in straight to the battery, and here it goes to the battery backup. So we'll see. All right, so here is the actual battery, the power supply unit. So I'll put below the link from Amazon where I bought it. It has the on and off button here, the switch. Input, I'm assuming that's where you charge it. It comes with a flashlight. It has two different outputs for USB. And a 5 and a 9 volts. Over here, I guess, is where you plug in the battery starter, the jump cables. Just like that. And this goes to your battery. And again, I already used not this one because it's a brand new one, but this model twice, 2 years in a row during the Overland Expo to start my car, my 4Runner. And it worked just fine. And this looks like chargers, not chargers, adapter chargers, cables, whatever, for different devices. Micro USB, the thick USB, I don't even remember how you call that one. No, this is mini USB if I'm not mistaken. Micro USB. This one that I don't remember what this is, and the iPhone, which I doubt that the iPhone is gonna work because iPhone is it's just so proprietary with that kind of stuff. But that's okay because I always have my own iPhone brand cables. What I don't see on the box, it's a charger for this thing itself. So I'm assuming that you had to use this. I guess this is it. You plug in this, and then you charge it here to the electric outlet. All right, I give you that. This is a way to charge it. I would much rather have something longer. However, I can have this plug in while I'm driving. So this is the model MicroStar XP-3. Cheers a second. Anyway, that's all I have for now in preparation for my coming up trip. And I'll have more boxes to open soon. More preparation to do between my vehicle, myself, my gear, and for this trip. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and let me know that you're out there reading and my blog and watching my videos. Peace.